Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add behaviors in the Camtasia video. So while we are editing this video, so I'm gonna add behaviors in this video. So without behaviors, this video look like this, and with behaviors, to add the behaviors, I'll click on this behaviors, and you have lots of behaviors option. Whatever you want to add, you just select and drag and drop on the video. Okay, now this behavior will be consistently applied in all entire video. Okay, so now if I play that, then it will look like this. Okay, you can see here in the starting this way. This is with behaviors. If you want to delete it, select the video on which the behavior is applied and then click here in this behavior option, effects, and this scale is the behavior. So I'll just close it and this behavior will be deleted. Again, if I play, then there will be no behaviors, right? So this way guys, you can add the behaviors in Camtasia video. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.